This video is brought to you by the Shadow Angel Genesis and the South Bend Dart Frog Murders. In the Shadow Angel Genesis, follow the story of Daniel Adrian Angelescu, who has spent the last 500 years in servitude to the Vatican as their greatest monster hunter. In the South Bend Dart Frog Murders, the seniors at St. Thomas More High School are all looking forward to their final year, but then the city of South Bend is rocked by a serial killer called the Dart Frog. Click the links in the description below to get your copies today. Thank you for your support. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Robert Cantor, and today I've got a new Wonka Bar flavor for you. After a hot summer day at the office, few things sound as good as a nice cold root beer float. With that in mind, I present to you Wonka's Root Beer Reverie. This one was very easy to make. The only hard part was getting my hands on some root beer extract for the flavoring. You're probably not going to find that at any grocery store. At least I didn't find any at any of the ones I looked at. The good news is you can get just about anything online. Follow these instructions, and in no time at all, you'll have a delicious root beer float flavored chocolate bar that even Willy Wonka would be proud of. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books.